Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to show you guys my everyday natural makeup routine, the look that I wear everywhere. It's really basic, it's really easy, so keep watching if you want to learn. Okay, so I'm going to start off with my brows, and I'm going to take the Anastasia angle brush and then the Dip Brow pomade in the color dark brown, and I'm going to take the spoolie into that brush and brush my hairs up, and then I'm going to dip into the pomade and then start at the end of my brow, the tail, and then work my way up. And as you're doing this, as you're outlining your brow, when you're working your way up, you want to use like a light hand as you're getting closer to the front end of your brow, because you don't want, you know, dark brows. That's not what you're going for. And then after you do that, just take the spoolie end of the brush, brush your hairs down, and then do the same thing for the top. And me personally, I like to brush the hairs, my eyebrow hairs, up and down, so that way I can ensure that I have no gaps in my eyebrows, because you don't want that. You don't want some parts being dark, some spots being light, and all of that. So okay, so now I'm going to take the It Brow Power Brow Pencil. It's in the color Universal Tape. And I like, this is a little bit lighter than the pomade, so I like to take this and just fill in the inner portion of my brow. I feel like I have better control, so that way the inner portion of my brow is not too dark. And then after I fill in the inner brow, I just go ahead and take that spoolie at the end of it and then brush my hairs, make them lay straight, and then brush the product through as well. Okay, so next I am going to take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Tan Deep Honey, and I'm going to take some of that concealer and dab it on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to take my Morphe M165 brush. I believe this is an eyeliner brush, but you can also use it as a concealer brush, and I'm going to dip that in the concealer and then just carve out my brow and just clean it up. If there is any errors, you know, make it look nice and neat. Okay, so now that I'm done with the brows, I'm going to move on to foundation, but first I'm going to prime my face. So I'm going to go in with the Becca First Light Priming Filter, and I'm going to apply that. I really like this. It's really cute. I got this like in a little gift set, and it's a little travel size. But I normally don't use primer. I usually just use like lotion, because I do have dry skin, but I hate primers that make my skin too oily. I don't know, I don't have that much of a problem with dry skin, so products that make my skin too oily I have issues with. So okay, so now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go and take my Fenty Beauty Foundation. I am in the shade 330, and I'm going to squirt that on my damp beauty blender. As you can see, I am running out, but I will get some more later on today. But I'm going to go ahead and just apply that all over my face. Now, I know it looks like it doesn't match me, like it's too light for me, but trust me, the shade is my color. Like, it matched me really well. Her foundation tends to oxidize, so that means it gets darker. So by the end of this video, like, it'll look better. Trust me. Trust the process. Okay, so now that I'm done applying foundation, I'm going to go back in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just going to highlight. So I'm going to apply that underneath my eyes, on my chin, above my lip, down the bridge of my nose, and then on my forehead. And then I'm going to take my damp beauty blender and blend all of that in. Okay, so now that I have that all blended, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Contour Kit in the color Tan to Deep. And I'm going to take this brush. I got it out of a brush set off of Amazon. And I'm going to go in with the darkest color. And I'm going to start contouring my face. I honestly don't even know if this brush is supposed to be used for contouring. But it's been working for me. It's been getting the job done. So who cares? I mean, I feel like that's bad that you don't know what kind of brush it is or what you're supposed to use it for. Oh well, it's a brush set on Amazon. Their brushes are really good. It's really cheap, just FYI. Like, if you need brushes, Amazon is the way to go because they're really soft. Now that I'm done highlighting and contouring my face, I'm going to go ahead and set everything. So I'm going to take the Too Faced translucent powder, and I am going to be mixing two powders. So I'm going to take the translucent medium, which is the darker one, and the just the translucent one, the white powdered one, and I'm going to mix them. Typically I use the translucent medium one every day because the white one gives you mad flashback, and I learned that from the first time I bought the white one. But the white one does give you like this brightness, so I'm gonna mix both of them and then just go ahead and set my face. So I'm gonna set underneath my eyes, pretty much everywhere that I highlight, and then right underneath my contour is where I'm gonna set. Okay, so while that's setting, I'm going to go ahead and apply lashes. So I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Mascara. And I'm going to go ahead and just apply that to my lashes. Okay, so now that I'm done applying mascara, I'm going to go in with the Ardell Minx lashes. It comes in a 4-pack at Ulta. Absolutely love these lashes. I love the look that it gives me. So I'm going to go ahead and apply those. And I would show you guys the eyelash glue that I use, but I truly hate the eyelash glue that I use because it takes forever to dry. And I just don't like it. But it was the only thing that I had to use, and I didn't have any other glue. So we're going to make it work. Okay, so now that I'm done applying lashes, I'm going to take my Morphe powder brush and just dust away the setting powder that we applied and just make sure everything is well blended. Okay, so now that I'm done dusting away the powder, I'm going to go back in with my Anastasia Contour Kit and just retouch up my contour because I felt like I lost a little bit of it dusting away the powder, so I'm just going to go ahead and fix that. Okay, so now it's time for my bottom lashes, so I'm going to go back in with that Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Mascara and apply it to my bottom lashes. Okay, so now that I got mascara on my bottom lashes, I am going to take this Avon black eyeliner pencil and I'm going to apply that in my waterline. Another good eyeliner that I like is, it is by Tarte and it is Sex Kitten. Okay, so I'm mostly done with my look, but before I apply a highlighter, I like to set my face. So I'm going to go in with the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray and spray that all over, just so my makeup can set in place. And then we're going to go into highlighter. Okay, so now it's time to highlight, and I'm going to be highlighting with the Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter by Maybelline. And I'm going to just take my little fan brush that I got in my brush set off Amazon and just apply it any and everywhere. And for lips, I'm going to be taking my Morphe lip gloss and applying that, and it is in the color Frose. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please let me know what you thought in the comment section below. Like, and don't forget to subscribe. And see you guys later.